Hello my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. So I have my Beautylish lucky bag. I know I got the small one, it just came. I'm so excited. Had to interrupt my work to get this and unbox it. I don't know who or what is in here, so we're gonna open it and see if it's worth it this year. Now they do these every single year and they sell out super fast. So it says Lucky Bag 2023 and it is in this cute little paper. Let's see, I don't need none of that. Here it is. I don't remember the value. I think it was maybe $150, something like that. But look, here it is. Okay, I'm so excited. I don't think I got one of these last year. All right, this is how do I get in it? Okay, found it. Found the opening. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so it looks like we've got a combination of stuff. Let me pull out the first thing I see. By Verb, this is probably their heat. Yep, heat protectant, extra hydration, glossy shine. All right, I'll have to look up the value of this, but yeah, so we got that. It's a good product. Let's move on and see what else we got in here. Okay, Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. Definitely good for dry ladies. My skin has been so dry lately. Okay, all right, next item. We have, what is this? A Wayne Goss Essential Eye Kohl Pencil. Oh, I'm excited. Love me some Wayne Goss. All right, let's open it up. Here it is. Let's see. Okay, so it's a pencil. Ooh, that's very pigmented. Ooh, and this is actually good because it's one you could sharpen so you could do lines with it. You know. All right, I'm liking that. Okay. Let's see. What else do we have? By Danessa Myricks Color Fix Creams Waterproof Liquid Pigment Eye, Lip, and Cheek. You guys know how I feel about cream products or liquid products. Yeah. Oh, yeah. The color, if it's... Okay, so the color is Celebration. And it looks kind of weird on camera. It actually looks pretty good. All right, here it is. Kind of tiny, but it probably will go well with this liner, I'm thinking. All right, so, okay, yeah, those do go well together. And it's a nice bronzy color. Probably something I would use in the summertime, to be honest with you. Okay, moving on. What do we have here? BOM, is that what that says? M58 lipstick refill? Okay, wait a minute, it's gotta go with this thing. Okay, here we go. Mob, have you guys heard of Mob? What is this? Oh, it's a case. Ah, now this makes sense. So they gave me a case and then they gave me a refill. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, so let's take the refill out. Okay, so it slides right in. Take this part off. Let's see what kind of color this is. Ooh. I guess that's okay. Summery, I would think. Definitely not something for now. Or maybe. All right. Well, that's kind of cool. Oh, you can't put this. This is just for when they send you the refill. So it just snaps like that. Okay, next we got a brush. Now, Yano Series by Beautylish. So this is one of their brands. Let's open it up. Okay, here it is. Ooh, nice and soft. So it's a powder brush. It says number 3, but it's definitely a powder brush. But it's not, well, you could set the under eye with it. You could do a lot with it. I mean, all right, let's move on. There's one more item in here. Let's let it be like a Wayne Goss palette, because I'm feeling like this wasn't bad, but I'm wanting a wow item. I'm wanting a wow item. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. The luxury eye palette. Okay. Yep. Don't own any Wayne Goss eyeshadows. So are you kidding? Oh, I'm in love. Hi. How are you? Okay, so it's got a mirror. Nice packaging. Do we dare? Yes. Okay, feels like silk. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, yep, I'm happy. I am absolutely in love. There's all my swatches. Yes. Okay, so let's recap, shall we? The Wayne Goss, this just made my bag. Yes. Eyeshadow palette. The Danessa Myricks liquid lip cheek tint thing. And the Mob Cosmetics lipstick refill and case. Then we got the Wayne Goss eyeliner, the brush, the Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. Let me just open this box. I don't think I opened her. I was kind of excited to see what the rest of everything. Okay, yeah, here she is here. Nice and tiny. And then we got the Verb Extra Hydration Glossy with Heat Protectant. Now, these are all things that are definitely good to have. I've got so many of these because I rarely style my hair anymore because it's so thin. But I could definitely use it on my daughter's hair. So yeah. Okay, that was everything in my Beautylish bag. If I can find prices, I'll put them on the screen for you. Tell me what you think. I want to know your opinions down in the comments below. I can't wait to talk to you there. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoy unboxings or beauty or saving money on groceries, things like that, then definitely hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.